Okay guys, so today on Chris Does What, we're going to be cutting out and laying in new sod in this area right here. A lot of fun. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into this.
Lots of fun. Not really.
Okay guys, so we went to the sod farm and we found sod. I'll leave a link down below for them. They have a mixed bag of reviews, but customer service reviews I saw, no, they're very polite. And the sod we picked out, it was green. So we did hand pick out the sod we wanted, but the whole pallet looked green. And so the tools we have: rake, shovel. I don't know why we have this weed plucker, but and then we have an edger. We have an edger. So we're going to use this Echo edger to cut our lines for our sod, and then I'm going to take and dig them out. And all the good St. Augustine grass we find, we're going to use that to plug the other spots in the yard.
Right.
So
we're going to be resourceful.
So let's get into this fast motion sod installation, and hopefully it's beautimous. And the HOA loves it, and we don't have to deal with them anymore.
Yeah, kind of going through a lot with them lately, so we figured this is our last thing. This is what we need to do.
Yeah, we were waiting on rain. Grass is growing, just not fast enough.
Right. For them.
So here
I'm fine with it.
Oh, I almost forgot. The best tool of all. Vodka and lemonade.
Oh goodness, it's going to be...
I
hope it turns out right.
Every solder needs this. Okay, tool in hand, let's see if I can draw a straight line. This right here, about 24 inches. So we're going to go from that all the way down to there. Okay, so all cleared up with the edger, and we pulled out any good grass so we can use it as plugs. And now we're going through here. Can you see me in the video?
Hi everybody. Let me turn this around.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, we can see each other.
So, and Danielle is providing the fuel for this adventure.
I'm also going to make dinner.
Also dinner. So y'all check out diningwithdanielle.com, because after this, I know I'm going to be hungry, and you probably will be too. Danielle showing me how to use a rake.
When you want to level something. Hey, I grew up on, land.
You want me to take some of that dirt out? Dad?
No, I think that's good, because we want it to be higher than the sidewalk.
Well, it's not going to match the other grass. Oh.
Well, it will settle in too.
And this is why it's so great to have such a supportive wife. She supported me in my bullheadedness against the HOAs to not plant grass.
2 months ago, I got the first letter. I wanted to plant the grass and then call out a service to make sure it doesn't have any weeds in it. But that's all right. We're doing it now. That's all it counts.
There's the cement edge.
You want to do it long ways, Dad?
Just to go a little closer to the. It's not really up. It's not budding up yet.
Oh.
It's, yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't like the HOA. He already gave him the middle finger.
Well, it's big.
Oh, let's go this way.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. I've been saying you want to go long ways.
It's not enough.
What?
It's not enough.
But then you're going to have to do one, like cut some out because it was like leaving 5 inches of dirt.
It's not enough, babe. I think we need to go the other way.
The other one?
I think we need to go the other way.
But how would it grow in, Mom?
Well, you stick another. This stuff just falls apart. You stick a half one in there, down the line,
Okay, we'll probably cut this out a little bit more and we won't do a half one.
and just do 2 of them across.
Yes,
That's what I was saying earlier.
I know.
True.
See, listen to your wife, guys.
Just gonna say.
Day 2, and we're putting the last of the sod down for this portion. What? Oh, nice. I think that one's bigger. Some scissors. Want me to shower you down? Got that front corner done. And now we're going to come up through here and see how far our sod will take us. We got another 30 squares. That right there is 32 squares.
Yep, that'll work.
Okay, guys, you'll see here, my wife is showing me how to put the sod together. You have to put it together. It has to be married, like me and Danielle. They will marry up forever.
Then I had to change into shorts.
Okay, guys, so Danielle and I agreed that we need to just cut up from here. I'm going to cut this straight line over and then up
What is that?
and over.
No, seriously, that was a whole big clump. I just walked right through it.
So is this the point right here, babe? You want to start cutting? Because that's a nice clump of grass right there.
Just put that over me.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm getting rained out.
Break time.
Guess Florida is like Texas. If you don't like the weather, wait a while. It will change. So we just had that huge storm, and now it's sunny. So I've got sunshine on a rainy day. Or is it cloudy? So when you're doing yard work, it's always great to get the kids involved. It's a family event. So we're about ready to start making us some lemonades. Hopefully it doesn't rain again. But it is nice and cool.
Oh, it feels so much better.
And we'll come back when we're, I'm going to disc this up a little bit, maybe with this. May not have to because of the four-fingered whatever the thing is. And then we'll start laying grass. It'll be groovy. Okay guys, so we got this all cleared out and hopefully it will take hold of the grass. And now we're going to put grass in. Now Danielle's going to come back behind me and say, you're doing it all wrong.
Wow, babe. That's how you portray me on camera.
No.
I was being all nice and bringing him a sunset and lemonade, and he's talking, you know what?
And it's wrong.
Well, it is wrong. Hey, he's listening.
There.
I kept telling him you have to marry them together. Or else it
Marriage.
just looks like squares.
Married together.
But I did do a lot.
Having fun?
Oh no.
I had to do mine too, and now I got a brown spot in the front. I might have to do it again.
Yep.
It's ridiculous. You can't water because the law says once a week.
Yeah, they told me you can't.
Yeah.
And I told them you can't. And they said you can hand water. I said no, you can only spot treat. And they said it was a pain in the ass.
Yep.
Oh, Brian, you want to kill the recording? Okay, guys, have another little section done. That one's growing a lot more than the rest when we put it in. But now she's just washing the dirt off the grass. You see, after that rain, that over there is really starting to green up. So I think we're going to have a pretty good lawn here. What do you think, babe?
I hope so. It's a lot of work, man.
Oh yeah, it is a lot of work. But hopefully the reward is well worth it. We're at our last plug for this side. See if it fits. Oh yeah, it fits.
Ah, I hate when you have it on.
You might want to get your knees. We are officially done with this side. Now rinse off all the dirt, make the grass look green. So guys, we finished the yard, this portion of the yard, and looking good. We'll come back and see how it takes later, but we're going to conclude
Oh, I
this.
hope it does. Oh, please don't make us do this again. I'm moving.
It was a ton of work, but got this in. It's looking pretty good, and back here where it rained, after it rained, that really got green, and this right here. So I'm thinking it's all going to green up really quick, and hopefully establish roots. The dirt we came.
There. It's probably in the way.
The dirt we were working with looks really good, so we didn't put any soil down. Hopefully, you know, that's okay.
Well,
But
we did just have TruGreen out, so hopefully
Yes.
You know, that gave it some fertilization.
You can look back to last week's video where we talked to TruGreen. Chris was a cool dude, and also check out his YouTube channel. So, guys, if you want to do this yourself and you're in the Pasco, Florida area, check out the
Sod farm.
Sod farm. Really nice people. They really helped us out, and you know,
Gave
they're-
us our military discount.
military discount, and they seem to be fairly reasonable. I don't buy a lot of sod, but didn't break the bank. If you like this channel, please subscribe. It's down there. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also down there. It's like that, except less dirty. And if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out dininginwithdanielle.com.
I don't know how I'm cooking tonight, but look at my nails.
Oh,
This is gross.
she's going to need a manicure.
Myself. Manicure.
And y'all please take care.